Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable calendar notifications vibration on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first, tap on the home key to go back to the home screen, and then swipe up to go into the app screen and tap on calendar. In calendar, tap on the menu key on the top left, and from the pop-out, tap on settings. In settings, go down and tap on alert settings. So you want to tap on alert style, and in alert style, tap on short sound. In short sound, go down and tap on the vibrate switch to turn it on or off. So if you turn it on, whenever you receive a notification from calendar, your phone will gently vibrate to notify you. And that's it. Now another way how you can change that settings is through the settings menu. So if you swipe down at the top and tap on settings, then tap on notifications. In here you can tap on calendar. So if you tap on the search button and type in calendar. Sorry, so I'm just in the wrong settings in here. So I'm going to, in notification, tap on more and then tap on the search key, and then we type in calendar, and in here you can tap on general notifications, and then down here you can switch it on or off. So you can either do it directly from the app's settings, or you can go to this setting page through the settings menu at the top here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.